the AR1 comes with a bird spike kit that helps minimise any soiling from birds that might nest on the top of the AR1. So the bird spike kit includes 3 sets of polycarbonate spikes and the set of screws in the bag that allow you to mount the polycarbonate spikes of the AR1. So the bird spikes are aligned so that they sit on top of each panel. So there's 3 spikes for the 3 separate panels, and there's 2 sets of screws for each panel. So the screw has the screw itself, then a spring washer, then a flat washer. So install the assembled screw into the holes on the bird spikes. So there are pre-drilled holes on the top of each bird spike, about 50 mil spread out across the top middle of the bird spike. So once you've got the screws installed, look for the mounting points on the lip of the top of the canister. So there's 2 holes here, 2 holes here, and 2 holes on the underside. And use a small Phillips head screwdriver to screw the screws in to the right locations. Now it's easiest, like I've got here, if you use a longer screwdriver so that you avoid the spikes. Okay, and then just tighten the screws until the bird spike is secured. Okay, and so that is nice and tight. And then repeat for the other 2 sides of the top of the canister.